this is probably the worst idea ever. Woo. This is gonna be so nice. Iceland, land of fire and ice. Dream of every rider. Let me take you with me as I make that dream come true and ride my own motorcycle around Iceland. Let's go! Let's see how this goes. Today is cold. I'm wearing all my warmest gear. I'm literally wearing everything I have with me. Let me show you. Okay guys, let's do this. I'm not intensely motivated to go out with 5 degrees, but the clouds are kind of moody nice. Maybe I get nice pictures, so this motivates me. So today I'm gonna wear a top, a t-shirt, this thermal leggings. This is absolutely amazing. It's super warm. Then I'm gonna wear my Botex protective layers. Obviously gonna wear a long sleeve, one more layer trouser. Here I have the Peak Design hook for the camera. Layer for cold. This guy has been absolutely amazing. I wish I had a heated one. I don't have a heated one. And then, of course, our cow hoodie is coming. It's 5 degrees. It's absolutely necessary. Put this on before. Yeah, let's pack the gear and go ride. Look, the sun is out. Yeah, look at that. This is sun. Nice. Let's go. I'm gonna take the rain gear with me just in case. Baklava. It looks horrible, but I really love this thing. It changes completely the temperature of your body and your head and face. Let's wear the second one. Oh, I'm hot. Let's go out. I'm actually surprised. It doesn't feel that cold. I was expecting way worse. It's not like frozen, you know, the winter feeling that gets you, the cold that gets in your skin, in your bones. It's not like that. It's just cold like when you open the fridge. This is a geothermal station. Here in Iceland, people basically drill into the ground to get the natural hot water that's running everywhere under us at the moment. This area of Iceland and most of the country sits on volcanic ground, so they have hot water straight from underground, all warmed up by volcanic activity. They capture that heat and use it to warm houses, showers, swimming pools, and even greenhouses. The water arrives hot straight to the houses, not like in most of the world where we receive cold water and then in the house we heat it up with electricity or gas. So all this steam around here is literally vapor, just water steaming. It's getting really windy, cold because of the wind. I just arrived at the next location. And there is a machine to pay, but it reads your license plate, and apparently it reads the front, because when I insert my license plate then it just doesn't find it. There is nothing on the system, so I don't know if it's free for motorbike or if I should call or what to do, but yeah, we're just gonna go visit and deal with this later. Oh my god, wow, I've never seen a place like this. I really feel like I just landed on planet Mars. This is completely out of this world. When they say Iceland looks like another planet, this is for sure the place they are thinking about. This is quite a crazy place. It smells a lot like egg, and the color of the water and everything is really insane. Feels out of another world for real. Place. And this land is privately owned. This means there's someone here on this planet that owns this. Like, oh, on my land I have volcanoes, active volcanoes. Okay. I don't see anything. Oh, there is a crater over there to see. Okay, this is about to get interesting. Let's go in the smoke. Oh god. This is really unpractical with the glasses. I didn't think about it. I should have been wearing contact lens today. Woo. Wow. That was so hot. I didn't expect it. I mean, it's steam, yes, but I don't know. I was expecting it to cool down faster, I guess, or something. I don't know. Such a crazy place. Imagine the first people that came here, just walking around, exploring the land, and suddenly they found this. Crazy. Okay, 2 more missions and we're done. And you're gonna love the last one. Let's see if I dare. If you're enjoying following me along on this ride, make sure to subscribe to not miss out the next one. hike. It's really just 30 seconds up and we're gonna see the lake, so let's see it. I might actually walk with the helmet so I don't have to take it off. Okay, there's a viewpoint. Then there is a path to go more up, but it's so cold I'm not gonna do this. It's nice. Just too cold to enjoy. I have one last mission. If I don't do it, I'm gonna be really disappointed. This is a shower they installed that has natural hot water coming out straight from the ground. Okay, this is probably the worst idea ever, but I have to do it. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cold. If I don't do it, I'm gonna regret. And actually, in the last 5 minutes that I've been here, 2 people actually did take the shower. So I'm really gonna do it. But it's gonna be so bad to go out. I'm already regretting. It's so fucking cold. Okay, each layer is put in a good position so I can put it back on. I hope my stuff is not flying away while I'm in the shower. Let's do this. Shit. Okay. You got this. I'm actually surprised I'm not that cold. I mean, it's not comfortable, but... And now, home to take a real good hot shower, I guess. And the coffee. Oh no, I'm gonna do a coffee now. Oh, yes, coffee now. Oh, this is gonna be so nice. Maybe 10 km/h freezing wind. That's probably the hardest part. Cowbooty. Now you start understanding why I love it, right? It's like the best thing ever invented. Oh, yay! You ready? Let's sit somewhere. And obviously, just when I was about to bath, there were a lot of people around. I thought it would continue to be like that. And now that I finished, everybody left. So yeah, I guess they just stayed for the show. Or maybe I have new friends coming. That was quite fun. Now I am a bit cold. Let's go home. Okay, bye shower. And after a nice warm shower, I prepared myself a well-deserved, super tasty dinner that I'm gonna eat while doing what I like doing the most: editing photos. Tomorrow, I'm leaving the Mars-like reddish landscapes to go explore the lunar ones. I'm gonna ride in dark volcanic rocks and explore lava fields. Guys, I don't know what just happened. It's gonna be a really eventful day. And it is not gonna start as planned. Oh shit, it doesn't turn on. I thought that issue was solved. See you in the next one.